Hello guys, welcome back again. Today we are going to see a new program. So in this program we are going to talk about how to insert a database inside the website program. So as you all know, to create a website, okay, or to create a login page, we have to not only by using the codes like HTML, PHP, we cannot create a proper working model of a login page or a proper working login page. To create a proper working login page, we have to create some more. We have to insert a database inside the website. Okay, for example, let's just check a login page. Okay, here I'm just clicking just a simple login page here. As you can see, it's a I click the login, it has to go inside my page. Okay, so it has to go inside my page. So to create a stuff like this, or to create a working login page, we have to insert a database. And not only inserting the database, we have to use the database to sign in, sign up, to sign in, or to sign up, or to log in, and also to log out. To do all these stuff, we have to we have to insert a database inside the web page. Okay, here already I have registered two usernames, Danny and Rajan. Okay, two usernames I have created. So if I want to create one more user, for example, XXX is my username. Okay, YYY, and password XYZ, and here it is the password XYZ. Okay, so it's just saying it's not valuable. Okay, let me type as gmail.com. Okay, now one more user is added here. Okay, XXX. Okay, so what if we just create, or what if I have an account, or what if I already registered in this page, and what if I just one more time, if I just attempt to create, if I just do an attempt to create it again, okay, it has to reply a message that it is already there. Okay, for that I'm just showing the demo. See, this name, it's already created, it's already registered. I'm just doing it again just to show that it is already registered. Okay, I'm just giving it as okay. Now when I click submit, it has to say the username is already available in the database, so I can't re-enter the database. So here, if you already have an account, click here. Okay, when I just click here, the username and the password. Okay, so when I click the login, if the password is wrong, it has to enter, it has to give me a message like invalid, try again. Okay, now I'm going to give the correct username that I have created and its own password. Okay, now when I click the login, it has to go inside the web page that is protected with the username and password. So to provide the message, or it has to provide the website. Okay, so if you're not a member, you have to sign up now. Okay, this click here and this sign up now, these two are nothing but just a navigation keys. So it's so pretty to create these stuffs. Just to give a href tag, and and have to give the address of the second page, and here inside this I have to give the address of the first page. That's all. So now we are just going to see how to insert these stuffs, or how to insert the database. Okay, so this is the program of the index page here. So using the form tag, I'm just creating all the username, email address, password, and the array type password, and using the input tag, I'm just creating the text boxes here. If you already have an account, I'm just giving it as see, as I told before, a href for the second page. Okay, the reference URL for the second page, and the wording is click here. Okay, now here is the PHP session. Okay, for all the PHP session I have to give session start. Okay, it's mandatory here. So here for error and here for insertion. Okay, just if a error happens, it has to produce the message in red color. If the insertion is successful, it has to provide the message in green color. That's all. So here for error and insertion, the process is going on, and to insert the show the user details, I'm just giving here the select star from user. It is a SQL. The SQL is nothing but a structured query language which we will be using to create a table, to delete a table, to insert or to update some data inside the database table. Okay, all these steps can be done using a SQL language. Okay, select star from user language. To create a table, we'll be giving a SQL query called create table name, and inside some brackets we'll be creating the heading of the tables. Okay, so here inside this I'm just giving select star from user. So just like this only, we'll be inserting the data inside the database, inserting this database inside the website. Okay, for the second page, see the username. Okay, if I give the correct username, it has to provide me, or it has to allow me inside the next page. Okay, for that, here the username and the password. Okay, these two stuffs are just here to create this second page, that is to create this username and password page, this username and the password page. So only for creating this I will be using this all these things. Okay, here, so all these programs, all these codes that are inside this form tag are nothing but just to create a page like this: username, password, a login button, and to sign up, and to create the navigation buttons called sign up now, forgot your password, and to create a checkbox, keep me signed in, like this. Okay, now let's go to the database part. Okay, here inside the PHP again we are inserting the database here. Actually in the second page I am not inserting any database. I'm just creating a PHP file, session start. See, as I told before, if you want to create a PHP script place, you have to, it's a mandatory to write the session start thing. Okay, here for the session, this session contains the error message. Okay, it is the ER, so it has to get the value. See, the value that is that has been got from the error message is taken in a variable called ER, and this ER is passed to the database using this session here. Okay, in the third page, okay, this third page is nothing but just for a password reset. See, just to reset the password here. So this third page is created using this program here. Okay friends, that's how we will be inserting a database inside the website. Okay, if you did not you cannot create a proper working prototype of a login page. Okay, to create a working login page, we have to use the database. We have to insert the database inside our program, inside our web, creating a web program. Okay, because for each and every time when you're just providing a username and that username's own password, it has to store the username and the password has to store in a place. That place is your database. Okay, that's all friends, thank you.